Now, you might be wondering how to exactly fix your Ring doorbell here if it's unable to connect or failed to connect to your network. Well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to make sure you're using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now, Ring doorbells works best on 2.4 gigahertz, not 5 gigahertz. So if your router shows two networks, connect your phone to the 2.4 gigahertz one before setup. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to maybe restart your router or end modem as well. So unplug the modem and router for about 30 seconds, then power them back on. Wait until the internet is fully stable before trying to the ring setup again. That this clears most temporary network issues. Now from then on, you want to go just put the Ring doorbell back into setup mode here. Press and hold the setup button on the Ring doorbell until the light starts spinning or flashing. Now this resets the Wi-Fi connection so it's ready to join your networks again. Now, from then on, you want to go and just move your phone and doorbell closer to the router as well. So during setup, distance matters. So bring your phone close to the router, and if possible, temporarily move the doorbell close or closer to. Weak signal during setup is a very common reason the connection fails. And also, you may want to disable VPNs and mobile data on your phone. So turn off VPNs, switch mobile data off, and use Wi-Fi only. Now, VPNs and data switching can interrupt the setup process and can cause the error. And finally, you may want to try setup again in the Ring app. So you want to go and just open the Ring app, set up a new device, go and choose that, follow the prompts that you're going to see on your screen. Now enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and wait for the connection to finish. Now once connected, the light will stop flashing and the live view should load. And that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.